SAM Basic is supplied with the following components which give you a complete solution to your auscultation training. Once you unbox your SAM Basic, you will find SAM Auscultation Training Torso, which is mounted on a base, SimScope carrying case, which includes SimScope training stethoscope, flash drive with SimScope software to be installed on a Windows 10 device, USB cable, and a product manual which is also available online. If you're interested in finding out more about SAM Basic or any other cardionics auscultation solutions, please visit our website or contact your local sales representative. Thank you.